Hey boys and girls, it's Mr. McAndrew. So this is the second video today. Sorry about that, but just needed a little bit more time to explain what you'll be doing. So yeah, you should have all your materials out, okay? And here's what we're gonna do. Remember you had, and I included another one in your math packet in case you don't have it, but you have your 1 through 9 spinner. All right, so we're gonna spin. And if you don't have a paper clip, don't worry about it. You can just make up a number. You could also, if you have your number cards, sorry, not number cards, dot cards, you could just pull any of those. You can make up a number, whatever you feel like doing. The point is or if you have any dice, you could just roll some dice, right? The point is to come up with a number. So I'm going to put my pen here. And I'm going to do the paper clip, and I got a 3, okay? So the way this works is, just like we were doing, I'm going to put a 3 here. So 10 and 3. Okay, so I'm going to build that. 10, so I have 10. By the way, I would just keep this 10 here, right? Just keep that 10. And then I'm going to add 3 to it. So there's 10 and 3. All right, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to color this in. So I'm going to color in the 10. 10 and 3. 1, 2, 3. So 10 and 3 more, 11, 12, 13. And I write that down. Okay? So you can build it. I definitely want you to draw it. All right? And then put in your numbers. So 10 and 3 is 13. And then just do it again. All right? So we're going to erase that. Where did my eraser go? So I'll erase that. I'm actually not, you don't have to erase the 10 because it's always going to be, there's always going to be 10. So in fact, you could leave your tower and this tower, right? The one that you're drawing, you could just leave it like that. And then come up with a new number. Let me do it here. I got a 7 this time. Okay. So I'm going to write 7 here. And I can build it. I guess 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So here's 7. All right. So I guess, building it is kind of optional. But I definitely want you to draw it at the least. Okay. So now I'm going to shade in 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right. So 10 and 7. 10 and 7 is, how much is that? So 10, we have 10 here. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. And if you look at your cubes, you've got 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So that's correct. 10 and 7 is 17. Okay, so what I would like you to do is I want you to do this activity, whether you use the cubes or not. Definitely do the drawing, okay? Or like choose one or the other, or do both. I mean, I recommend both, but it's not the end of the world if you don't do the cubes. But I really want you to keep seeing that 10 and 7 is 17, right? So, for example, we saw this last week, sort of like magic, right? Where we have 10 and 7, right? And then I'm able to put them together like this. Make 17. Look at that, right? And 17 is 10 and 7. Math magic, right? Hey, let's do just a couple more of those. Hold on. Let's see. All right, so what if I have 10 and 4, right? And if I put those together, it makes 14. Because 14 is 10 and 4. Okay? All right, so do your activity. All right, have fun with it. Do it for maybe, do it for like 10 or 15 minutes, or as long as you feel like, but do it at least 10 or 15 minutes. You're doing really well. You're doing great. And I'll see you soon. All right. Bye-bye, boys and girls. Be kind. Be safe. Be kind. Be safe. Be good. Be good to your parents. I don't know. Eat your Wheaties. Whatever else you're supposed to be doing. All right. All right. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.